Imagine a world where buying something online meant mailing a check or sharing your credit card details with a stranger. In the late 1990s, that was reality, until a scrappy startup called PayPal changed everything. From its chaotic beginnings to powering eBay's global marketplace, PayPal became a fintech giant. But after soaring highs, it faced turbulent times. Now, with a new visionary leader, PayPal is poised to shock the world again. Buckle up for a ride through PayPal's epic journey and why it might be the investment opportunity you've been waiting for. In 1998, three tech enthusiasts, Max Levchin, Peter Thiel, and Luke Nosek, founded Confinity in Silicon Valley. Their initial idea? Security software for Palm Pilots. But they quickly realized the real game changer was a digital wallet that could make online payments simple and secure. Around the same time, Elon Musk's X.com was tackling similar challenges in online banking. In 2000, the two companies merged in a high-stakes deal, blending Musk's ambition with Confinity's tech prowess. After a fierce internal battle, Peter Thiel emerged as CEO, and in 2001, the company was renamed PayPal. In February 2002, PayPal went public at $13 per share, raising $61 million. Shares surged 54% on the first trading day, a sign of things to come. But the big moment? eBay snapped up PayPal for $1.5 billion later that year, betting on its potential to transform e-commerce. PayPal became the heartbeat of eBay's marketplace. For the first time, anyone, small businesses, hobbyists, or your neighbor selling vintage records, could accept payments without a merchant account. It was a game changer. By 2012, PayPal was processing a staggering $145 billion in payments annually, contributing 40% of eBay's revenue, with over 100 million active accounts across 190 markets. PayPal wasn't just a payment tool, it was a global trust network. Fun fact, PayPal's early team, dubbed the PayPal Mafia, included future tech titans like Elon Musk, who founded Tesla and SpaceX, and Reid Hoffman, who co-founded LinkedIn. Their influence still shapes Silicon Valley today. In 2015, activist investor Carl Icahn pushed for PayPal to break free from eBay. On July 20th, PayPal relisted on NASDAQ at $41.63, valued at $52 billion. The timing was perfect. The rise of e-commerce and the 2020 pandemic supercharged digital payments, sending PayPal's stock to a jaw-dropping $308.53 in July 2021. Services like Venmo and Braintree fueled growth, and PayPal processed $1.7 trillion in payments over the trailing 12 months by mid-2025. But the road wasn't always smooth. Under CEO Dan Schulman, who led from 2014 to 2023, PayPal faced stormy weather. Controversies like account freezes for high-profile users sparked debates about platform policies. In 2022, a proposed policy suggesting fines for misinformation caused a public uproar, though it was quickly retracted. Growth slowed, with revenue increases dropping from 20% in 2020 to just 6.81% in 2024. Net income took a hit, falling 41.98% in 2022 before recovering slightly. The stock price plummeted from its 2021 peak to around $76.59 by July 2025, a 77% drop, reflecting investor concerns about competition and direction. Enter Alex Chriss, who became PayPal's CEO in September 2023. A fintech veteran from Intuit, Chriss transformed QuickBooks into a cloud-based powerhouse and led the $12 billion acquisition of MailChimp. His mission? To turn PayPal into more than a payment processor, a full-fledged commerce platform. We are going from what people thought of as just a payments company to really being a commerce platform, and that's a big shift, Chriss told Payments Dive in 2024. He's betting on innovations like Fastlane, a one-click checkout service, and partnerships with giants like Microsoft and Amazon to make PayPal indispensable. Chriss is already making waves. In the first quarter of 2025, PayPal reported revenue of $7.79 billion, up 1.2% year over year, and adjusted earnings per share of 1.33, beating Wall Street's 1.16 estimate. Net income hit $1.29 billion, the highest since Q4 2023. Transaction margin dollars, a key profitability metric, grew 7% to $3.7 billion. For 2025, PayPal expects adjusted EPS of $4.95 to $5.10, topping analyst estimates of $4.90. A $15 billion share buyback program with $6 billion planned for 2025 signals confidence. Chris's focus on cost control and high-margin services is paying off. At $76 as of early July 2025, PayPal's price-to-earnings ratio is around 16.7, far below its 2021 peak of over 80. Analysts see upside with price targets ranging from $49 to $120, averaging $81.74. By 2027, PayPal aims for high single-digit transaction margin growth and low teens EPS growth, with ambitions of 20% plus EPS growth long-term. PayPal's guidance is generally above expectations, notes Wolfe Research, giving it an outperform rating. This suggests PayPal may be undervalued, offering a potential bargain for investors. PayPal isn't resting on its laurels. In August 2023, it launched PayPal USD, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, expanding to platforms like Stellar in 2025. PYUSD is unlocking new opportunities for the stablecoin, Chris posted on X, highlighting its potential to generate fees and interest. Partnerships like those with the Big 10 and Big 12 conferences to pay student athletes via PayPal and Venmo show its creative expansion. With 436 million active accounts and a brand ranked second globally for trust in 2021, PayPal holds a strong edge despite competition from Stripe, Apple Pay, and Zelle. PayPal's story is one of resilience and reinvention. From its .com roots to its eBay dominance, it's faced challenges but always adapted. Now, under Alex Chris, who boldly claims PayPal will shock the world, the company is poised for a comeback. With a low valuation, innovative initiatives like PYUSD, and a massive user base, PayPal is more than a payment platform. It's a commerce powerhouse in the making. For investors, this could be the moment to jump in, as PayPal's stock offers promising growth at a bargain price. As Chris says, our vision is for PayPal to be the commerce platform powering the global economy, and PayPal is ready to lead the charge.